Welcome to 50 Cents of Advice, where Gen X and Boomers learn to make smarter money moves without the noise. Think saving for retirement is just about hitting a number? That's the mistake. Gen Xers aren't just behind, they're building toward the wrong target, and it could cost them more than money. For years we've been told the goal is to save $1 million. That's the dream, right? But here's the problem. Most Gen Xers don't have anywhere near that saved. And even those who do, often haven't thought about what it's actually for. The number one mistake is planning retirement like a destination, instead of a lifestyle. We focus on the numbers, and honestly, we ignore the structure of our future lives. Why does it hurt Gen X more than anyone? We're the sandwich generation, still helping our kids, starting to help our parents, and, feeling behind, financially and emotionally. But what's worse, most of us are just too tired to course correct. We stay in survival mode instead of shifting into strategy mode. We underestimate expenses like, long-term healthcare, taxes on withdrawals, inflation over 20 years or more. And honestly, the biggest one? Purpose. The shift is moving from numbers to lifestyle. Forget chasing $1 million for now. Start with this question. What do I want my day to look like when I don't have to work anymore? Is it travel, volunteering, time with family, maybe a part-time job you actually enjoy? Design that day first, then build a financial plan to support it. For some, that might mean $4,000 a month in income. For others, it's $2,500 and a paid-off house. Once you know the life, you can find the number, not the other way around. Need help bridging the gap between where you are now and where you want to be? There's a powerful resource available. It's called Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP by Dirk De Bruin. This program is designed for individuals who want to build passive income through cryptocurrency investments. It offers comprehensive education, monthly market analysis, and access to a supportive community of over 2,800 members. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this resource can help you navigate the crypto market effectively. If your current plan feels shaky or late, this could be your shortcut to a stress-free retirement. Check out the link in the description. So, what should you do next? Well, first, write down what a perfect weekday in retirement looks like for you. Then, calculate how much it would realistically cost each month. Next, compare that number to your current savings and income projections. If there's a gap, don't panic, just build a bridge. You could make catch-up contributions, explore side income streams, or think about downsizing your lifestyle. You're not too late, but honestly, you are in the red zone. The right play call now can totally change the whole game. Was this helpful? Go ahead and drop a "fix the plan" in the comments if this shifted how you think about retirement. And hey, if you're curious about building a real retirement plan on a smaller budget, check out our next video. Can you retire on $500,000? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Before you go, grab your free Design Your Dream Retirement Day checklist. It's a simple tool to help you visualize the lifestyle you want and calculate what it'll actually take to fund it. See the link in the description below. This is 50 Cents of Advice, where financial wisdom meets real life. One tip at a time.